at this light. Hold on. I gotta turn my hazards on. Dude, I can't go. So right now it doesn't even want to go.
But as soon as it gets going, it gets going.
That thing is up and down. Alright, let me check.
Foot brake it.
Dead.
No.
Bro, what the fuck? There's no way it's misfiring that bad.
See, there, like, see, sometimes it goes, sometimes it don't.
It's driving straight.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Dude, the dash is lit up.
There.
Alright, we're coming to a stop. Let's see how this goes. That was smooth. Before it was shaking because the controller was literally snapped in half. Oh god, I'm gonna die at this light. Hold on, I gotta turn my hazards on. Dude, I can't go. Yeah, look, get them. They're going around. Dude, bro, what is this?
Put it back in park.
5 minutes later.
Shit.
Oh, try not to stop.
Bro, the only thing I could think of is it's misfiring that bad.
It has to be.
Why is it like stuck like that, dude? Like I'm giving it gas, nothing. Oh shit! Did you hear that?
I don't.
That's not a transmission issue though.
That can't be.
Oh! Shit! Come on, bro. Bro, that's like a nice drone. That's a nice drone.
Yes.
I like that.
That is like perfect. It's not overly fucking dumb.
This is what I wanted to show y'all. EPC light on, traction control light on, something about the sport diff. Come on, yo. Half the car is missing. But we about to grab spark plugs. We got coil packs, just need spark plugs. Bad misfire. Hopefully we can figure it out.
Fucker made it.
Five speed.
5 speed, 5 speed.
Windshields.
Nice TSX. just said not real. It's like real shit though.
I was just telling this nigga Tristan, man, like
Literally over a year ago.
it was like maybe 3 years, bro.
No, it was a year ago. It was a year ago. We went all the way to Chicago for a TSX, okay? With the blown trans. We didn't know it had a blown trans until we got at home and started driving for $2,700. This bitch was $3,000. Just need spark plugs and a little bit of control arm work, and that was it.
And body work.
And body work. Same with the fucking TSX. That bitch needed that bitch was rear-ended and we didn't know. Because it had the bumper on. Then we took the bumper off and that shit was all fucked. Then we had to fucking grab a four-wheeler and yank that shit out. And that was a whole process. This is pretty simple compared to that shit.
Riding, and we just got this misfire and we got spark plugs.
Yeah,
NGK, that's the only way to go. Audi, NGK. You got it?
that wasn't tight.
At all?
Look, I didn't even.
Wow. So it wasn't even in there snug.
No. That was not tight at all.
That's not good.
Hell no. Bro, I bet you this thing would be so much happier too.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be happy.
And with actually good spark plugs in it. Not no. What are these? Oh, these are NGKs.